Hey guys, this is the video to go along with activity 1 for the week of May 18th, and we're looking at mutations in natural selection. So for activity 1, you are given a code on the first page down at the bottom, and it looks similar to the DNA sequence from the model that you made last week. Okay, now what we're going to be looking at is how changes in this code or mutations may take place. So on page 2, you are given DNA sequences for green anole number 1 and green anole number 2 in table 1. And you're supposed to compare these sequences with your chart or your sequence from the first page, okay? So as we compare these and we follow it going down, we're just going to make sure that the nitrogen bases match up. And as I am looking, I first see a difference for green anole number 1. A G is replaced with a C in table 1. And then we have a C replaced with a G here. So these are some differences that we see in the code. And we'll see if these differences mean anything later on. And then looking at green anole number 2. So follow the code. We are good so far. Again, a G is replaced with a C, and then G, A, C. So we have a difference here as well. Next, you are going to code the amino acid sequences using your translation chart at the bottom to see what DNA code these anoles will have. So I always find it helpful when I'm doing a code to divide it up into threes or triplets just to help see it better, okay? So I'm going to go down my chart and divide them into thirds. Now I'm going to use my code, and as I can see here, ATA, this is going to be green color. So we have a circle here. ATT, this is another green color. Represented by a circle. CTC gives it a triangle for sticky feet. GAC gives it a triangle for sticky feet. And then GAG is no trait. Okay, so we've got 2 for green color, 2 for sticky feet, and then no trait for green anole number 1. For number 2, we should have green color again for ATA, green color for ATT. CTC should have sticky feet. GAC should have sticky feet. And then we have another GAC down here. So that's going to be another sticky feet. So as I look at these, green anole number 1 has 2 sticky feet traits, and green anole number 2 has 3. So that might mean that green anole number 2, since it has an extra amino acid sequence for sticky feet, its feet, you could say, might be stickier than anole number 1. So looking at your scenario, and it asks you the question in number 5, how might this be helpful in a severe hurricane? So we're going to look at that in activity number 2. That's it. Thank you.